NBIS stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this one brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, I'm looking to double down on this, right? Sitting at $52.65. I'm inside my supply zone, and as we were approaching the supply, I was like, I'm willing to double down and buy as long as there is a shift. And what happened is we just kind of broke structure without the price giving me the rules. And guess what? That's completely fine from my end. Stuff like this is gonna happen. And I mean, at least we finally shifted, you know, we saw that. And when I saw this shift, all I'm practically looking to do is just double down, buy more. So well, this is my demand zone here. That's the top. And unless the price pulls down and gives me the double break, there's no way that I'm gonna sort of buy, right? So that's how NBIS is looking like. So I do have previous receipts here in the Discord, and if you do want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.